Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of yc. So we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. First derivative of e to the power of lambda s. We keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Next, we need to do second derivative of this one. And we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. Now we put this one go in here and this one go in here. Now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So I will put this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the value of lambda. Now we can find about yc equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1 e to the power of 5s. We change lambda into number 5 and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 5s. We change lambda into negative number 5. Next, we need to find particular solution. So if we look carefully about this one, that is on the right. On the right, we have s squared. This is the highest power in here. And we have e to the power of s. So I will put about yp equals to a plus bs plus cs squared plus de to the power of s. So we need to find first derivative of yp. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one we have s, so we have number 1. This one we have 2s. This one we have de to the power of s, because first derivative of e to the power of s, you got the same. Now we go second derivative of this one. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we have 2c. This one we have de to the power of s. So I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So about s squared, we have negative number 25 cs squared. About s, we have negative number 25bs. About the number, we have negative number 25a plus 2c. About e to the power of s, we have negative number 25d plus d in here, and we have negative number 24d e to the power of s. Next, we have s square and s square, so we have negative number 25c equals to number 3. We don't have s, so negative number 25b equals to number 0. About the numbers, we have this one equals to negative number 2. About this one, we have negative number 24d equals to number 1. Because coefficient of this one, we have number 1. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. So we divide both sides by negative number negative number 25. And we have negative number 3 over 25. We don't have B, so B equals to number 0. So we have the value of C in here, so I will put negative number 3 over 25 go in here to find the value of A. And we have A equals to 44 over 625. And the last one, we have D equals to negative number 1 over 24. Now I will put A, B, C, D go in here. So A we put in here, B you got 0, C that is about this one, D that is about this one. And now we have the general solutions. Y equals to YC plus YB. So YC that is about this one. YB that is about this one. So we have the conditions. For the first one, that means when S equals to number 0, Y equals to number 1. Now we put S equal to number 0 go in here. So I will put number 0 go in here, 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 and here. So if we simplify, this one we have number 1, this one we have number 1, e to the power of 0 we have number 1, this one you got 0, this is about number 1. Now we put these values go to the left, and we have C1 plus C2 equals to, we have 14,569 over 15,000. Now let's go to the second. So we do first the derivative of this one. First derivative of e to the power of 5s, we have 5e to the power of 5s. This one we have negative number 5 e to the power of negative 5s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2s, number 2 and number 3, we have number 6. This one we keep the same. And now we put number 0 for the both sides. So this one that is about number 0 in here. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one we have 0. This one we have number 1. So I will put negative number 1 over 24, go to the left. And now we can create the system of equations. So we can find the solutions of C1 and C2. So we find C number 1, C number 2. Later that, we go back in here. And now we put this one go on here. And this one go on here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.